Yeah, so we had wheat here this last year, and then we combined that in July, and then we turn around and we plant a diverse cover crop mix. This was, I think, like an 8 or 9 way mix, and I can't necessarily name all the different plants that are out here, but we planted a diverse mix for the diversity. You got different roots, you got different leaf structures, you got different purposes with those plants, with the intention of essentially just building the soil back up. And then we also plant it so that way, dual purpose, that way we can graze it as well if we get good moisture. Unlike this year, although we had decent growth, we had no moisture to get us good grazing. But we still felt like there was enough for us to put cows out here. And we still get, with cows, livestock in general, when you're grazing it, you kind of get them to basically eat that, digest it, and then it goes back out the other end and fertilizes the crop ground. So I feel like it's kind of a win-win situation there. This is stuff that I geek out over because you don't see this very often, this diverse of mix, especially in this part of the world. Most of everything around here is just corn, soybeans, maybe a little bit of alfalfa. But so it's fun seeing different things that are out here. The sunflowers, which they're going to be dying off now with the freeze that we had, but seeing some big sunflower heads, it's always fun. These are actually a tillage radish. So this is actually pretty small in my opinion, but this would have been, I pulled it out at ground level. So that's a good, I don't know, maybe 9 inches in the ground that's going down. We call it tillage radish for a reason, because it's going to break up the tillage and compaction. And then the cows can eat the top of it. So dual purpose there. I've had some that are 2 or 3 times this big. So they get pretty massive. That's why I like the diversity out here.
Guys, thanks for watching the content so far. We've got a whole lot more on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Subscribe there. We put a ton of content on there that's useful and applicable information to help on your farms and day-to-day life. So go ahead, hop over there. If you want more information, check us out there.